This is a short video of my LG air conditioner. It shows how little power it draws. I run it off of a 1,000-watt generator. Right now, I'm going to run it off of the BTU solar charger thing. I'm using it as an uninterrupted power supply. So this will show us how many watts it's drawing. Just turned on the AC unit. Takes a second to fire up. Showing us the watts it's drawing. Compressor's kicked in. So it's actually running at less than 600 watts. On cool mode, on low fan. Let's raise the fan speed up. Doesn't change much. Still stays under 600 watts. Very efficient AC unit.